Was a bombshell ruling, and it will have big implications for the future of the case against the president-elect and several others. Fox 5's Tyler Fingerty is here to break down the ruling and what it means. Tyler?
Yeah, Courtney, Tom, good evening to you. The ruling by the state appeals court to remove Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is a big win for President-elect Donald Trump and his co-defendants in the election interference case. Using Mr. Trump's famous phrase from his apprentice days, Willis was essentially fired today when it comes to prosecuting his case, but we now know she plans to fight back. For months, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis publicly and defiantly said there was nothing improper with her personal relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade, who she hired to handle the election interference case against President-elect Donald Trump and others.
It is a lie. It is a lie.
Attorneys for Mr. Trump and others argued Willis improperly benefited from her romance with Wade. In March, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee ruled the relationship between Willis and Wade was a, quote, tremendous lapse in judgment, but said she could continue to prosecute the case if Wade resigned, which she did. But Thursday, the Georgia Court of Appeals disagreed and disqualified her.
The only reason this case is being litigated is because of Fani Willis's relationship choices and how she discussed and explained that relationship to the court.
In this 31-page 2-to-1 ruling, the appeals court panel wrote, "This is the rare case in which disqualification is mandated and no other remedy will suffice to restore public confidence in the integrity of these proceedings." It wasn't a clear-cut decision for the appeals court. Judge Benjamin Land disagreed with the ruling, writing, quote, "I am particularly troubled by the fact that the majority has taken what has long been a discretionary decision for the trial court to make and converted it to something else entirely."
Disqualifying Fani Willis's office from pursuing the case against incoming President Trump is based on some pretty strong law.
The president-elect's Georgia attorney Steve Sadow said the decision was, quote, well-reasoned and just. He went on to say, quote, "This decision puts an end to a politically motivated persecution of the next president of the United States," end quote. With DA Willis out, it will be up to the Prosecuting Attorneys Council of Georgia to find another prosecutor to decide whether to continue to pursue the case. Willis's office says it plans to appeal the ruling to the state Supreme Court.
It's basically a softball to the Georgia Supreme Court, so the Georgia Supreme Court can really nail down these conflict rules and set a policy for the entire state.
We reached out to the district attorney's office for comment, but have not heard back. While the ruling is a defeat for DA Willis, it is not a total loss. The president-elect and some of the remaining defendants wanted the indictment dismissed, but Courtney and Tom, the appeals court, refused to do that.
And so this ricochets throughout the entire case, not only for the president-elect, but for all the other defendants involved, too.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And so we'll just have to wait and see, since she has filed her notice of intent to basically have the Supreme Court take this up. We'll have to see how they decide, to see if she maybe gets reinstated. And then if she doesn't, we have to see if another prosecutor actually picks up the case.
Which is close to doubtful within the entire state of Georgia.
Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see.
Yeah. All right, Tyler, thanks.
Thanks, Tyler.